Good afternoon, everybody. It's from Jayshree. I'm from SNS College of Technology. I'm from Biomedical Engineering, Department of Biomedical Engineering. So I'm going to take electric circuits and electron devices for the first year, second semester. I'm going to take the topic as what Zener diode. Okay, let us see what I mean by Zener diode. So Zener diode is also known as a breakdown diode. Is a heavily doped semiconductor device that is designed to operate in a reverse direction. When a voltage across the terminals of the Zener diode is reversed and the potential across the Zener voltage, the junction breakdowns and the current flows in the reverse direction. This effect is known as Zener effect. Okay. The Zener diode is also known as a breakdown diode and is a heavily doped semiconductor device that is designed to operate in the reverse direction. Okay. Let us see the construction of the Zener diode in detail. This is what the symbol of the Zener diode. So symbol indicates diode which is connected with this. The Zener diode, it's indicated by the triangle which is a straight line which is indicated by the front end and back end slash. Okay, it is a symbol of the Zener diode. Okay, the layer of SiO2 is what? This layer is connected with this silicon junction, N-type diffusion and P-type substrate, and whereas P-type is connected to the anode and N diffusion is connected to the cathode, and both are connected together to form the metallic layer. This is what the structure of Zener diode. So let us see working. Zener diode allows electric current in forward direction like the normal diode. Okay, Zener diode allows electric current in forward direction like a normal diode, but also allows electric current in the reverse direction if the applied reverse voltage is greater than the Zener voltage. Okay, Zener diode always allows the current in forward direction as like the normal diode, but it always allows the electric current in reverse direction when it applied reverse voltage is greater than the Zener voltage. Zener diode is always connected in reverse direction because it is specifically designed to work in the reverse direction. Zener diode is highly doped, thus its depletion is very thin. Due to this, more current flows through the Zener diode as compared to the normal junction diode. Zener diode shows two breakdown approach. Number one is what? Zener breakdown. Number two is what? Avalanche breakdown. So let us see what I mean by avalanche breakdown. The free electrons hits the atom, that is P-type or N-type is connected, and the left end is connected to the P-type and right end is connected to the N-type, and this forms a depletion region, that is what? Wide depletion region. This forms a depletion region, and this avalanche breakdown occurs when more number of holes and electrons are combined together, and this forms the more number of electrons hole pair creations. Okay, when the high reverse voltage is applied to the PN junction, the free electrons gain large amount of energy is accelerated to greater velocities. These electrons are again accelerated and collide with other atoms. As a result, the electric current in the diode increases rapidly. So the avalanche breakdown occurs in Zener diode, whereas the Zener voltage is greater than the avalanche voltage. So this is what the avalanche breakdown. This free electrons hit the high speed, whereas this free holes hit the high speed in either direction. This forms the new electron hole pair creation. This forms this breakdown occurs in this avalanche breakdown. Next one is what? Zener breakdown. So Zener breakdown is what? Narrow depletion region. P-type is connected to this junction negative supply and N-type is connected to the positive supply, which also indicates a reverse bias junction. Where reverse voltage is applied in the diode is increased, the narrow depletion region generates a strong electric field. When the reverse bias voltage is applied to the diode reaches close to the Zener diode, the electric field in the depletion region is strong enough to pull the electrons from their valence band. At Zener breakdown, the small increase in the voltage will rapidly increase the electric current. Okay, this is what the VA characteristics of Zener diode. Here the VA character is indicated by the two separate lines. In reverse voltage, the silicon is constant when until it reaches a certain value, and germanium is reaches below than the silicon value. Whereas in forward current and forward voltage, germanium decreases more than the silicon, whereas silicon is increases, whereas germanium increases more than the silicon. So let us see what I mean by voltage regulator. So this voltage regulator So let us see voltage regulator. This voltage regulator has RS source resistance, load resistance and the voltage. Okay, regulating the voltage of the circuit is the ability to keep the output voltage fixed regardless of the variation in the input voltage or load current. Until load voltage is less than the breakdown voltage, Zener diode does not show the conduction. As the voltage at the load increases, the Zener breakdown and the device now starts conduction in the breakdown region. Thus the breakdown region is maintained and the constant voltage is maintained. Okay, thank you all. Let us see the next